How to fix age restriction on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix your age restriction on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix your age restriction on Twitter, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Twitter application over here. Then tap the profile icon from the top left, go to profile, tap on edit profile, scroll down and select birth date. Just select birthday, tap on the edit option. Make sure to change the birthday for over, that would at least make you over 18 years of age. So count the days year, and then after that just make it so that you are over 18 years of age, and then tap the continue option to save the changes. Once you've done that, if that doesn't help solve your problem, then again just come back to the Twitter app homepage, tap the profile icon, but this time you want to go to settings and support and go to settings and privacy. Then over here go to privacy and safety, then go to content you see. Here you want to make sure to enable this toggle that says display media that may contain sensitive content. By default it could be turned off, so you might want to check that as well. This way you can fix age restriction on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.